Now let us take an illustration to understand the charge distribution due to parallel plate system more clearly. Now let us say this time instead of two plates or one plates, let us say we have three plates. We have three plates A, B and C. Let the charge on these plates be Q on this, minus 2Q on this and 3Q on this. We have given these charge on the plates and they are brought together in this parallel plate system. Now we know that the charge will accumulate on the surface between each other in such a way that the electric field between the plates in this area and in this area should be equal to 0, and the only electric field that will exist will be on the left side of this plate and the right side of this plate. So how do we distribute? If we say that find out the distribution of charge, then how do we decide how charge is distributed? So let us say that out of this Q, capital Q, small q is deposited on this. Now if small q comes here, then the remaining charge, which is q minus q, will be deposited on this surface. Now since a q minus q charge is deposited, it will induce a similar charge because the electric field has to be 0. So that means a similar charge, the similar magnitude charge with opposite polarity should be deposited on this side. So if q minus q is here, then here it should be minus of q minus q, so that the electric field between them becomes 0. Now if on this surface it is minus of q minus q, then on this surface it should be this charge. So this charge will come out to be minus q if you solve this. Now if it is minus q on this surface, then the opposite charge should be deposited here, which will be equal to q plus q. And now if q plus q is deposited on this face, then on this face it should be equal to 3q minus q, which is equal to 2q minus q. So what we have understood here and what we need to keep in mind, that in a system of parallel plates, the facing surfaces of plates will always carry equal and opposite charges. They will always carry equal and opposite charges, so that the electric field between them is 0, and the net electric field, the only electric field that is existing, is on this side and on this side of the plate. So let us say that if we take a point P in A, if we further extend this illustration, let us say in the same case we take a point P inside the metal surface A. Now if point P is here, the net electric field at P will only be due to the charge on this surface, only be due to this charge, whatever this charge is, positive or negative, and due to this charge. So we can say that if we take this point P here separately, we can understand that the electric field will be in this direction due to this charge. So we can write it here, the electric field here will be 2q minus q upon A epsilon naught, and due to this charge on this surface, the electric field will be in this direction here, so it will be equal to q upon A epsilon naught. Now we know, we have already studied, that if a point is inside a metal surface, inside a metal conductor, the net electric field on it should be equal to 0. So if we put that into consideration and make an equation, then that means that 2q minus q upon A epsilon naught minus q upon A epsilon naught should be equal to 0, because to make the electric field equal to 0, these two have to be equal. So this equation we come to, and from this equation we can, if you calculate this, if you solve this, you will find out that the small q will be equal to capital Q. So the final distribution of the charges, now since we have this value, so now if we finally distribute the charges will be equal to, since small q is equal to capital Q, so I'll write capital Q here. Here it was q minus q, so it will be equal to 0, because both will cancel each other. So 0 on this surface, then it was minus of 0 here, so again that is 0 on this surface, then If 0 is on this surface and minus 2q is the total charge, then what should be the charge here? It should be equal to minus 2q here, and because of this minus 2q plus 2q will be here, and because of this capital Q will be as it was already there. So this will be the final distribution of charges, and this is how we find out the charge distribution and the electric field in a parallel plate system.